Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID on the iPhone and the Mac. On the iPhone Open Settings, tap your name, go to iCloud and toggle Contacts on. On the Mac Open System Settings, click Apple ID, then iCloud and enable Contacts. Once done, keep both devices on the same network and plug the iPhone into power if you expect a large contact import. This prevents interruptions during sync. Next, you trigger and watch the transfer. On the iPhone, open Contacts and pull down to refresh. That nudges iCloud to upload any local changes. On the Mac, open the Contacts app and allow a minute or two for iCloud to push entries down. Watch the status at the bottom of the app. If you have many contacts, syncing can take longer. Make sure both devices stay awake. If duplicates appear, hold off on mass edits until you confirm the full set has arrived. To finish, verify contacts on both devices and tidy duplicates on the Mac via Contacts menu to merge cards. This cleans sync conflicts. If syncing stalls, sign out and back into iCloud on the affected device or reboot both devices. This refreshes the connection. As a safeguard, use iCloud. To check the authoritative list and, if necessary, restore a previous contacts archive from iCloud settings. If things still fail, recheck Apple ID network and iCloud storage quota before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.